Today we're looking at the Gemini Jet's Joon Airbus A320-200 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a presentation box which has a big Joon logo on it, the model of the plane, the Airbus A320, and an image of the plane found inside. On the back you have just some basic information such as, again, logo, model of the plane, some trademark stuff. And if we open it up, you can see the plane inside, so you can have it on display without having to take it out. And then on the lid, we have some specification information, such as the length, the height, and the wingspan in meters. And there's some other information you might like to know, such as cruising speed, range, seating, things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. Pops out. So it comes packaged within 2 pieces of plastic. Remove the top, and there you have it, the Airbus A320-200 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it's got the Joon livery. Now, Joon itself, it does not actually fly anymore. It was a subsidiary of Air France and has since been reabsorbed into Air France Standard, which, as you can see, we can get it to go together. We have a little Air France logo here and a little SkyTeam logo here for the, obviously, of course, as I said, it's a subsidiary of Air France, and SkyTeam is the airline alliance Air France flies with. You also have a registration of FGKXN and a little French flag. As you can see on the stabilizers, we once again got Joon. If we look at the other side, with the same level of detail, once again the Joon livery, Air France, SkyTeam. See lots of detail on the jet engines. Lovely, lovely detail. Let's look at the physical details of the plane. It's the flaps, the ailerons, we've got very nice fenced wingtips for this plane. As you can see the elevators and the rudders on the stabilizers, and you can see very just here, got a little Euro flag on the top. Got very nice detailed landing gear. Got little X ends written just above the landing gear. Underneath you see a little Gemini Jets logo, another registration of FGKXN, a little space for a stand to be placed onto it. We can look at the cockpit, very nice. Well, it's a very nice detailed die-cast metal model. It has a length of about 9.4 centimeters and a wingspan of about 8.5. And it's a very nice detailed die-cast metal model with tons of detail. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.